Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple and Smart. Benelli has confirmed that it will launch 302S model in India, which will replace TNT 300. Before we go ahead, please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming videos. The Benelli 302S will replace the TNT 300 and is expected to be launched in early 2020. Compared to its predecessor, the 302S features a sharper styling with an all-new LED lighting system. It also features an all-new digital instrument cluster unlike the semi-digital unit in the TNT 300. Powering the bike is a 300cc parallel twin liquid-cooled engine which churns out 38 PS and 25.6 Nm of torque. The claimed mileage figure stands at 23.2 kmpl, and this coupled with the large 16-liter fuel tank should ensure plenty of range for touring. The trellis frame is suspended on 41mm inverted forks and a screw-type preload adjustable monoshock. Brakes include dual 260mm pedal discs up front and a 240mm pedal disc at the rear with dual-channel ABS as standard. Expect the Benelli 302S to cost around Rs 10,000 to 15,000 over the TNT 300, which currently retails at 2.99 lakh rupees ex-showroom India. As far as the competition is concerned, the Benelli 302S rivals BMW G310R, KTM 390 Duke and Honda CB300R. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. Thank you for watching.